Do you worry where, what, and how to start drafting your related literature? Do you still unable to draft it? Don't worry, Sir Dada is here. And here's what you need to do. First, you make a list of keywords. This can be found in your title. List down the keywords and identify the most important keywords to the list. Example, the effects of multimedia learning on learners' performance in statistics and probability. So we have the keywords, multimedia learning, learners' performance, statistics and probabilities. Second, find time to search for the relevant sources. You can search the keywords in the internet and look for its relevance. For example, the sources, the online journals, ResearchGates, ERIC. Third, evaluate your search sources. Are the sources related to your title? Are the sources contribute to your thoughts and ideas with regards to your title? What are the results and conclusion of the search sources? Fourth, understand connections and relationships of the sources you want to use. Are they all related? Take note of the relevance in the themes and patterns that you can find in the sources. Fifth, structure your literature using an outline techniques. These techniques have been part of your education when it comes to English writing. You can use also any of these techniques and you can combine them together. A. Chronological. Structure your literature chronologically in the past up to present. Example, multimedia learning from 1980 to 1990, from 1991 to 2020, from 2001 to present. B. Thematic. This is based on your thoughts with regards to the importance of your topic. You can group your literature based on this following: multimedia in daily life, multimedia in general, and multimedia in learning. C. Methodological. It is when you want to use different methods of research from sources. Example, multimedia learning to sociological perspectives, multimedia learning to psychological perspectives, and multimedia learning to emotional perspectives. D. Theoretical. Present theories, models, and definitions of the keywords or concepts related to your study. Example, multimedia according to Congratulations! You are now ready to write your literature. Enjoy writing. God bless.